So this is a typical morning in my office, and I start my day with coffee and Zender. So I have my coffee right here. My wife's home. The house is quiet, but she's got a migraine. She gets those like all the time still. She has her medication, but crazy. I found a word this morning and put together a quick word study. It's not a lot of scripture, but it's a beautiful word because we should have this disposition and walk as if we were young in spirit, young when it comes to believing, and simple truths from the scriptures, simple truth that God has given us. And we should have that disposition. The word is young, and the Greek is neon. So the scripture, the concordance scripture, as I'll show you what I get it from here. I'll show you my concordant version. I get the scriptures from this here in the back. There's a keyword concordance. And I bring out them words from there. My wife is up, I think. That's fine. First one's Titus 2:4. That they may bring the young wives to a sense of their duty, to be fond of their husbands, fond of their children. 1 Corinthians 5:7. Clean out then the old leaven, that you may be a fresh kneading. That's referring to young, fresh kneading, something new, according as you are unleavened. For our Passover also Christ was sacrificed for our sakes. 1 Timothy 5:1 and 2. An elderly man you should not be upbraiding, but be entreating him as a father, the younger men as brethren, the elder women as mothers, the younger as sisters, in all purity. Titus 2:6. The younger men similarly entreat to be sane as to all things. 1 Timothy 5:11. Yet the younger widows refuse, for whenever they should be restive against Christ, they are wanting to marry. 1 Timothy 5:14. I am intending then that the younger widows are to be marrying, bearing children, managing their households, giving an opposer nothing as an incentive favoring reviling. And one more, Colossians 3:10. And putting on the young, which is being renewed into recognition to accord with the image of the one who creates it.